Hey guys, it's Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch again, and we are in the phase. We have cut, fit. Now we're ready to cover and install. Rich is over here again to help me out here to hold some things. So this is what he brought me, and we put in that before.
Jim, where did you? If this is 3-ply plywood,
Yeah.
that's very thin but very sturdy too.
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
You'll find that, like in RVs, they have a Phylon laminate. They'll have vinyl insulation. Then this is glued to it, and then they'll route out for all the wires.
Okay.
Now Home Depot said they had a number. I looked in the internet. But what I did is the place in town sells commercial plywood, and I had an account with them for years. So I went to, what's the name of the wood place on Gore?
Well,
Thomas
Lumber.
I went over to Thomas Lumber. Thomas Lumber had an account with Dixie Plywood, so I bought it from Thomas, got a paid receipt, and went and picked it up over at Dixie. You may have to do something like that, but I went ahead and did that before I found that Home Depot actually has a number. 1/8" plywood. No, it's CD. This is the C side, and then the other side that we glue to is the D side, or BC. I'm sorry, BC, not CD. BC. So this is the finished side. Normally I try to leave the finished side out, but in this case it's not going to care, because this is our cover. What is something different? So I'm going to do a galley backsplash with this tin stuff. That's one piece. That's $15. This is what, about 1/3 to 1/2 of the second piece. And I tell you guys, if you do this stuff, you'll understand how to use tin snips in a way you never did before. There's a reason they have left, right, and straight tin snips.
Yeah.
I was never a sheet metal guy, and I'm still not. But this is what our finish is going to be. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue it down. That's right. So how are we going to do that? With Mr. Glue Gun. Where is he? Here he is. Here's his piece here. And I tell you, man, this little glue gun it was small enough, you know. The top gets gooey and sticks down. But as long as no air gets in this thing, there's some tape over the top.
Mm-hmm.
As long as no air gets in it, here, take this, and we're going to glue this. So spray, you can get it on, it doesn't matter. Spray that. Oh, wait, we got to do something here. Remember this?
Oh, yep. So, Jim, you've had glue in this gun for how many days now?
About 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
As long as you don't get air in it.
And you don't clean the nozzle between...
Well, it's $15. You know,
this is the same gun, right?
Yeah, same gun. Wow. What we did at the shop is we just leave it loaded, and then finally, when it did finally clog up, you know, throw it away. Get another one. Time's money. All right, shoot that. Yep. Don't worry about going up too high here. We're just going to do the lower part first. All right, go shoot the back of that. You can see how much you put, just a little bit.
Yeah, is that the back side? Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, high points first.
Yeah.
at the edge, for sure. Looks pretty good. Wonder why the compressor wasn't coming on. I unplugged it.
You can see it doesn't use a whole lot of air.
No, it doesn't. All right, let's see it. Very good. He hit the high points because this stuff is dented. Here, open that. A little bit more in there. It's easier to do this way than handle 5 gallons. Put it in there. All right. Now, I wish we could have done half of it and folded it over, but that doesn't work real well with tin. So, what we're going to have to do here, and this is where you can help me.
Yeah.
Put it right there. We're going to get it to hover. You hold it, get it right at that edge over there.
Yeah.
I got this edge. Now pick yours up and let me get this down. Wait a minute. Right there. And right there. Okay, come on down. Very nice. All right. Now let's do the other one. Let's do the other side. This is the bottom. Then do the upper one. Let me see. Do we have enough glue? Okay, we've got maybe enough glue to do this. All right. Take. Here we go. Any more in there? I'll have to go get my 5 gallons. It's all right. We're all right. Cover this so it doesn't get it on there. All right. Make sure we get on the right side. Hey, you know the nice thing about this stuff, if it doesn't fit, you can beat on it with a hammer. Woohoo! All right. And we're going to put this real close. No, because I'm going to put one of those divider bars. In fact, where is that thing? It's all right. You go right there. Right.
So about a 1/16 of an inch.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That divider bar will slip right in there. Be careful with that tin. It'll bite you. Hey, look at that.
Oh, look at that. It bit you.
It bit me. So anyway, you see what's happening here. Just glue this thing down. And I'm thinking down the edges. Make sure it's nice and stuck. Like I said, if it doesn't fit right, you can beat it with a hammer. I like this stuff. All right, well, I'm bleeding enough, and we've got it covered. Here's our backsplash. Cool, man.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
If this was any good, hit like, share, and all that kind of stuff. Of course, there'll be another one to put the thing in. And if you think this is of any use, become a ranch hand. I appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you next time.